Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 4, we are starting exercise 3.3, which is generalizing with odd and even numbers. Exercise 3.3, question 1. Find 3 examples that match this general statement. The sum of 2 even numbers is even. Is it true? Suppose 4 is a even number plus 6 also a even number. So once we make summation 10, it's a even number. So this statement true. Let's try another one. Suppose 18 is an even number plus like 14 also a even number. Here is a 2 even number. Once we make summation, we will get 32, and this is a even number also. So our first statement, the sum of 2 even numbers is even, it's correct. Second one, the sum of 3 odd numbers is odd. Is it true? We have to prove by showing example, like 3 plus 5 plus 9. So this is a 3 odd number. 3 odd numbers, once we make summation, is odd number. How? 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9 is a 17. So 17 is an odd number. So the statement is correct. Let's try another. Randomly we can pick some number like 9 plus 11 plus 13. 9 plus 11, it's a 20, and 20 plus 13, it's a 33. So this statement also correct. So find 3 examples. So first one also we need an example, right? Like third example, the sum of 2 even number, like we can take 30 and plus 8, 2 even number. Once we make summation, we will get 38, and this is also even number. So we are try to show 3 examples that the sum of 2 even numbers is even and all the statements are correct. And second one, we already show 2 example, and third example like random take 1 plus 9 plus like 17. Here all are odd number. So 9 plus 1 it's a 10, and 10 plus 17 it's a 27, and this is also odd number. So the sum of 3 odd numbers is odd. It's a correct. So number 1 has done. Second problem. Here are 3 cards. One is odd, another one is even, and final one is odd or even. Choose one card to complete this sentence. When you add 2 odd numbers together, is answer is. When you add 2 odd number is together, the answer is what? Answer is even. 2 odd number once we take. For example, we have to show example, otherwise our learn will not complete perfectly. 2 odd number like 5 plus 7 equals to 12. Suppose 3 plus 9 equals to 12. Suppose 11 plus 5, it's a 17. So look, all 2 odd number, once we make summation, we will get even number. So our answer even. It's correct. So second problem has done. Problem 3. Here are 6-digit cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use 3 cards to show the difference between 2 even number is even. 3 cards to show difference between two even number. Difference between two even number is also even. So let's say we take 6 and 4 and the result is 2, and this is a correct statement. This is 2, right? Let's say 4 minus 2 equals to 2. It means that two even number is even, but from the example 6 card, we take 6, we take 4, and the result is 2, right? Very simple. Think of two other even numbers and show the difference between them. Does this also show that the difference between two even number is even? Let's say 18 minus 14. Here is a two even number, and once we make difference, we will get 4, and this is a also even number. So the statement is correct, which is the difference between two even numbers is even. Very interesting, and it's very important. Number 4. Hassan says adding to odd numbers always gives an odd number answer. Give a counter example to show that Hassan is wrong. Hassan obviously wrong. Adding two odd number like 5 plus 7. Both are odd number, but once we make summation, we will get even number. The result is not odd. So we can say Hassan is incorrect. So Hassan is wrong. Okay. So let's example another like 11 is an odd number plus 15 is an odd number. Once we make summation, we will get 26, which is even number. So our problem number 4 has done. Problem 5. Martha says, I added 3 even numbers and my answer was 25. Explain why Martha cannot be correct. Discuss your answer with partner. So I added 3 even numbers. So once we make same thing, same even number, it will never become any odd number, right? This is very important thing, that Martha is incorrect. Why? Because the sum of 3 even number is always even. We can say answer, the sum of 3 even numbers always even. Suppose 2 plus 4 plus 8. 8 plus 4 is a 12 plus 2, it's a 14. It's a one example. Second example, like 18 plus 12 plus 10. So 18 plus 12 is a 30, 30 plus 10 is a 40. So it will never become a odd number. So the Martha statement was incorrect, right? So we can say, so Martha cannot be correct. We can write, so Martha cannot be correct. Okay, so number 5 has done. Next question, which is number 6. Selim says, when you add 5 to any number, the answer will be odd. Is he correct? First of all, no. Because if he add with any odd number, the result will be even. So we can say he is incorrect. Selim is not correct. Let's example 5. He says when you add to any number, the answer will be odd. Like 5 plus 6, it's a 11. That case he is correct. 5 plus 8, it's a 13. That case also he is correct. But once you add any odd number with 5, like 5 plus 5, it's a 10. So it's a even. 5 plus 7, it's a 12. So it also even. So his statement also incorrect. So we can write like, if starting number is even and adding make it odd, but if starting with odd, the adding 5 makes it even. Therefore Salam is incorrect. So we can say like answer 6. If starting number is even and adding 5 makes is odd, but if starting number is odd and adding 5 makes is what? Even. So Salam is incorrect. Okay, very simple. Number 7. Problem 7 is very important. Hadi says, when you find the difference between two odd numbers, the answer is odd. Is he correct? So before decide anything, we have to make example. Suppose a odd number 9, another odd number 5. Once we make difference, we will get 4. Let's say 11 minus 3 and we will get 8. Therefore, the statement is not correct. When you find the difference between two odd numbers, the answer is even. So we can say like the difference between two odd numbers, the difference between two odd number is always even. Okay, therefore Hadi's statement also incorrect. Odd cancel the extra 1 in the both number. So Hadi is not correct. So Hadi is not correct. So this video up to here. Next video we will start an important thing, which is check our progresses. So till then, take care, keep practice. There are 8 math based on our performance. We will try to solve next video. Till then, take care, keep practice. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.